Hello, now I'll show you a box sorting project. This is a conveyor and there are three sliding conveyors. This is our electrical panel. This is start button, this is stop button, this is reset button, and there are three displays. For the three sliding conveyors. This is the vision sensor, and this one the diffuse sensor. Diffuse sensor, and this is the photosensor. The reflector part of this photosensor is at the end of the conveyor. This is the reflector part. So now I will describe how this system works. When we press this start button, then different colored and patterned objects will come through this conveyor from this starting point, and this object will come below this vision sensor, and accordingly to the color and the pattern of this object, the vision sensor will give us different values. Using those values, I will make the logic so that we can control which object will go through this first sliding conveyor, or second sliding conveyor, or third sliding conveyor. In my logic, I have not used the third sliding conveyor. I only used the first and second sliding conveyor. So at the beginning, the entry conveyor and the exit conveyor, this is the entry conveyor and this is the exit conveyor. When we will start the system, the entry conveyor and exit conveyor will be started at the same time, and this object will come through this conveyor and below this vision sensor. When this object will come below this vision sensor, this sensor will give us a value, and also this diffuse sensor will be activated and will give us a signal, and using the negative edge signal of this diffuse sensor, I will stop this entry conveyor. So when the object will pass this diffuse sensor, the diffuse sensor will give us a negative edge command signal, and using that signal I will stop this entry conveyor, and the object will come through this exit conveyor. Suppose the blue colored object will go through this first sliding conveyor. So when this blue color object will come at this point, the shorter one will be activated, and this will guide this object to this first sliding conveyor. And this is sounding little complicated, but when I will start the simulation, it will be very easy to understand. And when this object will go through this sliding conveyor, there is a photosensor. When the object passes the photosensor, the photosensor also will give us a negative bits command signal, and using that signal I will reset this anti-conveyor, and the anti-conveyor will be started again, and also I will reset the sorter. Now I will simulate the system. Let's see the ladder logics. This is our program. In this program I have used the nonc command, out command. This is the negative bits command, this is set command, and this is the reset command. This one the timing command, and this is the converter command. This will convert the double integer into real number. This is the comparative command, and this is the counter command. One thing I forget to mention, I showed you there are 3 displays in this electrical panel. So when one object will pass through this first sliding conveyor, this display will show the quantity of the objects. How many objects are going through this first sliding conveyor and second sliding conveyor. The quantity will be shown at these displays. So now I will simulate. I will click this start button. You can see the blue one going to this first sliding conveyor. And the green one will go through this second sliding conveyor. Also you can see the quantity of the objects in the display. You can see second sliding conveyor 3 and first sliding conveyor 3. Both 3 objects. Vision sensor, you can see when the object is passing through this vision sensor, the sensor is giving us values. I used these values to make our logic. When the object is passing this diffuse sensor is giving the negative bits command, and the anti-conveyor is stopped. You can see it stopped, passed, and this is stopped. And when the object is passing this photosensor, then again the anti-conveyor is reset. Also this sorter are reset. So this is how this program works. I can show you the online monitoring. You can see the program is working. I hope you have enjoyed this project. Thank you for watching.